Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you how to fix stuttering and lag in the Elder Scrolls IV or 4. Now, all of them says that there is no way to fix the stuttering because it is the fundamental problem with the game itself. With them having a high-end PCs or like a mid-game PCs, they have stutters. So, the only solution for this is to wait if the developers of the game will fix these issues. Now, in the meantime, just bear it with it. But he said that lossless scaling with its adaptive frame gen mode smooths out 70% of stutters for him. So, you just need lossless scaling with its adaptive frame gen mode. And that should smooth out 70% of the stutters. Also, he has a high-end PC. And that's basically it.